We often think of our bodies as a complex of chemicals and mechanical movements. However, a much more subtle and amazing fact is that our bodies are beings made of light. The renowned German biophysicist Fritz-Albert Popp introduced a remarkable concept called biophotons in his paper Biophoton Emission: New Evidence for Coherence in DNA. Biophotons are particles of light invisible to our eyes. All living cells receive, store, and emit a constant light, and the healthier they are, the longer they store this light. Dr. Popp observed and studied this minute light emitted from cells using highly sensitive light-measuring instruments. Through his research, he discovered that all living cells receive, store, and re-emit constant light. What was even more surprising was that the healthier a cell is, the longer it stores light. Just as stars emit a much brighter light just before they perish, Dr. Popp discovered that cells also generate a light 1,000 times more intense than usual before they die. This suggests that the death process of a cell is similar to the extinction of a star. Furthermore, he revealed that while healthy cells emit constant light, diseased cells emit irregular and inconsistent light. Dr. Popp's research showed that DNA, the most core part of our body, is an important source of biophoton emission. According to his findings, as much as 97% of DNA is involved in the emission of biophotons, while the genetic information we commonly know accounts for only 3%. This means that DNA serves as a transmitting and receiving tower for bioenergy, beyond being a mere storage for genetic information. Furthermore, it was revealed that the healthier a person is, the greater the amount of biophotons emitted, and the poorer the health, the fewer biophotons are emitted. This suggests that our health status can be expressed by the quantity and quality of the light emitted. Then what about the food we consume? The amount of biophotons in food also significantly impacts our health. Organic plants emit much more biophotons than conventional plants, and cooked foods contain almost no biophotons. Dr. Popp's research showed surprising results. It is said that plants grown organically in the wild emit twice as many biophotons as plants grown organically in fields, and plants grown organically in fields emit 5 times more biophotons than conventional plants. However, cooked or irradiated foods have almost no biophotons. This means that fresh and natural foods provide more bioenergy to our bodies. Our bodies are not simply a physical collection of cells, but beings composed of light particles called biophotons. When these biophotons move at the speed of light, electromagnetic vibration patterns found in all living things are created. These electromagnetic vibration patterns provide an energy exchange platform that enable all cellular functions. Our body is an electromagnetic organism made of interconnected bioenergy. Cells receive and transmit electromagnetic signals to produce proteins. In fact, electromagnetic signals precede all biochemical actions. Cells communicate electromagnetically and chemically to ensure that all body functions interact harmoniously. From this perspective, consuming foods rich in biophotons is very important for our health. This is because biophotons are emitted from biopolymers such as DNA, RNA, enzymes, chlorophyll, and hemoglobin. Metals and carbon atoms within plant-based organic minerals become centers of electric charge within cell and tissue molecules, regulating the reactions of electrons, protons, and neutrons between atoms. This contributes to maintaining the integrity of cell membranes and increasing enzyme activity. Additionally, certain protons and electrons within minerals such as calcium bicarbonate, magnesium, potassium, and sodium in water absorb biophoton energy from the Earth's electromagnetic field and accept ultraviolet light. Electrons absorb and emit biophotons, which is why DNA, which is rich in electrons, is a reservoir for biophotons. The charges of protons and electrons in water help charge and regulate our body's electromagnetic system.